Hi everyone. So I saw this yesterday, and you know what I'm like when it comes to sugar lumps. I have to give my opinion. Fancy a Meghan Markle fan turning out to be an extremist. Well, I never. It's not flying around the internet as much as I would like it to, so I thought doing a video may help that. So make sure you share this, everybody. So this is obviously from the Mirror, and I did ask someone if this person was on Twitter, and apparently her handle used to be Olivia Cromwell. So there we go. Oh dear. So it says here, woman faces trial after pleading not guilty to a Buckingham Palace bomb threat hoax. I won't read all the irrelevant bits out. A woman has denied sending a bomb hoax about Buckingham Palace while the King recovered from cancer treatment. Diane Durham, 62, accepted she posted a message on X which suggested a thing liable to explode was travelling to the 300-year-old royal residence via train, but she pleaded not guilty to the charge of communicating false information to the Metropolitan Police, as there were lots of things going on at the time. So in my opinion, that's the first oops. Carrying on. Durham appeared before Leeds Magistrates Court dressed in black and presented herself during the brief hearing and elected for trial at Leeds Crown Court, where she will appear next month. So she didn't even have a lawyer. What a wally. She presented herself during the brief hearing and elected for a trial at Leeds Crown Court, where she will appear next month. She told the court, if I do get legal representation, there's someone out there intent on stalking everyone associated with my case. I don't want him or her facing that barrage. Well, this comes across to me personally, in my opinion, that this is her first offence because she doesn't seem very knowledgeable on how the courts work. For example, obviously it's up to the judge. If there is witnesses and if there's someone out there stalking them and want to do them harm, obviously, and it will say this on the CPS website in the UK, go and have a look for yourself, that if the judge feels that the witnesses do have to attend court, they will more than likely be behind a screen. Their real names won't even be given, and it will just be witness 1 or witness 2. If the judge doesn't feel it's worthwhile having them at the actual court, they'll just write down a witness statement, and again, it will just be witness 1, witness 2. So whatever. So to me, I might be wrong. It sounds like this woman hasn't committed a serious crime like this in the past. It seems to me, in my opinion, that it's her first offence. So she told District Judge Timothy Capstick that she fully accepted writing the tweet and tagging the Metropolitan Police. She tagged the Metropolitan Police in a tweet? What an absolute plonker. I'm sorry, but these Meghan Markle fans are not the brightest people in the world, are they? Oh dear. Where are we? She added, I fully accept making the post. I wrote it, I sent it, I didn't delete it until it was reported over a week later. When quizzed, she was therefore denying the charge, she added. There was lots going on. There was lots going in real life. So, oh dear Mirror, right. So I'll correct this for the Mirror. There was lots going on in real life, online, and I'm looking for some answers. To be honest, I don't think the courts would be interested in her arguments online or whatever she's going on about here. Maybe because I did hear that she was a Pally fan, if you like. So I assume she's been arguing with the right-wing people on the internet, and it sounds like she wants to bring this up in court. Well, arguments on the internet are irrelevant in a court of law unless there's been threats. So if she's been arguing with people on the right, and she's obviously a lefty, the courts aren't going to be interested in that. but I don't know what that's all about really anyway. I'm just guessing. Judge Capsett said, all the court will be concerned with if the prosecution bringing the case against you can prove the case. The court will not be used as a platform for you to air your views. So I'm right. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what she was arguing about online. Whatever they may be, it will be a question for the court to answer what it is you have accepted. The incident is said to have taken place on May 17th. Duran was arrested at her home in Pudsney near Leeds after the Met informed West Yorkshire Police. If found guilty, she faces up to 2 years in prison. So, 2 years. Is that all? Well, considering Der Starmer is releasing prisoners early, and think about it, some of these prisoners has gone on a few days after being released, they've committed more crimes. So that was his mistake. The prisons are full. If she's on good behaviour, she probably won't even do the 2 year stretch anyway. And depending on if there's a jury, actually there probably will be, depending on the jury and of course the judge, he or she has the final say. You never know, she could get suspended. So we'll just have to see how this one plays out. So let me know your thoughts about that, guys. And I'll keep an eye on this. And it will be very interesting to see if the Black Belt barrister can do a video about this, because it will be good to have a professional view. And, he can correct if I've been wrong about anything. I'm no lawyer, I'm no expert. I have been a witness in court in a criminal case before in the past, but that was a long time ago. This imbecile has basically tagged the Met Police in a tweet, whether she did it by purpose or whether she did it accidentally. She's realised she's mucked up. Therefore, like I said, Meghan fans are not the brightest sparks on the tree, are they? Goodness me. Honestly, guys, you have to laugh. And so make sure you share this around, guys, because, in my opinion, it would be lovely to see a Meghan fan be held accountable in a court of law and to see them jailed. Let's make an example of the sugar, shall we? So we'll see how this goes on, and I'll see you very soon.